The heart is not a pump. Part 3. The human engine must first be seen before all other physiological considerations as an air-gas engine, built and constructed in its entirety, with the exception of the bones, from a rubber-like, very elastic, spongy material called flesh and tissues. The next fact is that its function is that of a pump system by air pressure, and with an inside circulation of liquids, such as the blood and other saps, and that the lungs are the pump and the heart is the valve, and not the opposite, as erroneously taught by medical physiology for the past 400 years. A further fact, one that has been almost entirely overlooked, is the automatic atmospheric outside counterpressure, which is over 14 pounds of the square inch. Immediately upon and after each out-breath, a vacuum is created in the lung cavity. In other words, the human body animal organism, in its entirety, functions automatically by inhaling air pressure and expelling chemically changed air and outside atmospheric counterpressure on the vacuums of the body. That is vitality, animal life in the first instance, and importance, that is P, power, which keeps you alive. Without air, you cannot live 5 minutes. But the unseen fact, let us say the secret, is that it works simply and automatically through atmospheric counterpressure, which is only possible because the engine consists of elastic spongy material with a vital strain power, with an ability of vibration, expansion and contraction. Those two facts were unknown secrets concerning the automatic function of P as the phenomena of vitality, and the chemist Hensel has proven through chemical physiological formulas that this special vital elasticity of the tissues is due to a line-sugar combination. The Latin word spira means first, air and then spirit. The breath of God is in fact first, good fresh air. It has been said that breathing is life, and it is true that you develop vitality, health, through physical and breathing exercises. The error of blood circulation. Medical physiology, pathological physiology, continues to find diseases, the cause of disease, with the microscope. The germ theory is now fashionable. Scientists will never find the truth and never understand what disease is as long as they have fundamentally wrong conception of blood circulation. As I have already explained, the fact has been overlooked that the lungs are motoric organs of circulation, and the circulating blood drives the heart the same as the regulating valve in an engine. That the bloodstream drives the heart and not the opposite can be seen through the two following facts. 1. As soon as you increase air pressure by increased breathing, you speed the circulation and therefore the number of heartbeats. 2. As soon as you take into the circulation a stimulating poison, alcohol for example, you increase the speed of the heart. As soon as you take a nerve and muscle band, paralyzing poison, for example, digitalis, you decrease the speed of the heart. The medical profession has this exact knowledge, but in spite of their knowledge, the wrong conclusion that a mysterious power acts on the heart muscle driving the blood circulation is arrived at. Prominent engineers among my patients agreed with my concept after learning this new physiology, saying that the heart would make a model valve for any kind of engine. How can it be logically proven that the heart controls the circulation if through the circulating blood you can control the heart? Increased air pressure through exercise, climbing a hill or running increases heart action, for the speed of the valve, as in an engine, depends upon the pressure. 30 years ago, a Swiss expert of physiology, although a layman, demonstrated evidently with animal experiments that a circulation as taught by physiology and as originated by Professor William Harvey in London 400 years ago does not exist at all. Of course, no attention was given by medicine to his demonstrations. How can a science be erroneous?